view from the top. That's how long Khardungla is. It's 5:40 a.m. city and the approach road to Khardungla. It's a very narrow road. Oh, that's Shanti Stupa. I've completely lost the sight of the city. It's just mountains, roads and clouds. Gompa viewpoint, which is 13,000 feet above. Yep. Yes. Feeling cold, so I grabbed on a full hand gloves. I'm still half naked. यार मैं इतना खुश हो गया. तुम लोग लेट निकला. भी पानी कितना भी खत्म कर सकता है. YHAI है साथ में. It's getting a bit steeper. The climbs are good. The struggle you do today will give you strength tomorrow. My God, this is hard luck, man. Hard luck. And it's raining hailstorms. MLK की तो लग गई मेरी तो. Rained. Few kilometers down South Pulu and it's sunny. That's Khardungla and it's still crazy. अब क्या बताएं, क्या एक्सपीरियंस था. You have been lucky enough to reach the top. कभी कभी पहाड़ अपने पे कृपा कर लेता है.